Hey everyone, so think about what we've been doing on set design. What you need to do now is be able to tell me and show me that you know what you're talking about. That you've actually learnt something, that now instead of like in year 9 you could probably replicate it and have a couple of ideas, that now you're starting to understand that deeper analysis. Why do we do things? That's what analysis is, why. So we'll use the 3 examples that you created. So the first one was the bank. The second one was the really strict script that you had, which was Ibsen's A Doll's House. And then the last one, which was Alice or Rhinoceros. Now, if you're away for any of those, then just choose one. If you were just here for A Doll's House, answer all the questions about A Doll's House, except for the abstract ones. Or if you were just here for Alice and Rhinoceros, do the same. Okay, so the task is that you're a professional set designer and you've been booked onto a TV show, and the questions that you're going to be asked have been handed to you. You've got a bit of time before the show that you're able to write down some dot points before the interview is recorded. So what's going to happen is you'll be paired up with someone. What you do is they'll ask you the question. Okay, so you sit next to them and you'll be, hey, lovely to have you here. Fabulous to have you on the show. We've just been looking at some of your earlier works, and this here is a picture of a bank that you created. I was wondering, where did you come up with your ideas? And then you'll respond. Okay, so this is a good way for you to conversationally, as well as with some planning, actually get down everything that you know and remember. Now, if you you're not 100% happy with your final products for what you created, that's fine. It's more that you've then understood the process of how you could make it better, rather than the actual product that you created. So you'll see, where did you come up with this idea? How do you go about your design? Do you just go for it and it evolves, or do you plan it out? If money wasn't an issue, so that's if you could make it as big as possible, if you could make it as detailed as possible, or if you want fireworks and smoke and stuff. Tell me in detail about one piece of set. This is showing me that you understand the little intricacies of set design. You know, why is it that you've done it like that? So, for example, a bank manager's desk might have like a nice leather top. Why? Because that's what bank managers have. So you wanted to make it as realistic as possible. And so you would probably want to do some research around that. Then you've got, earlier in the year, you worked on Ibsen's A Doll's House. He's very specific with his set directions. What are the advantages and disadvantages of having such restrictive instructions? Then you spent time working on Alice and Rhinoceros, created very abstract set. How does this support the director's vision? What's the differences, and which did you prefer? Okay, so you've had a lesson and a half to actually plan that out. So next lesson we'll be spending some time and hopefully get these recorded. Let me know if you've got any questions. Bye.